Socca is a garbanzo bean flatbread, and it's another easy to prepare recipe from my favorite Mediterranean region. Not only is socca easy to prepare, it is gluten-free and can be used in a variety of ways. I find that it makes a great base for a simple salad, but it can also be enjoyed at breakfast with eggs and sautéed tomatoes and some feta cheese, or just with fresh herbs or some olive tapenade as an appetizer. The batter is made with chickpea flour, water, salt and pepper, and olive oil. And remember, good olive oil is important for great flavor. Our favorites are California. However, it is important to note that the batter should be made at least 30 minutes in advance of cooking in order for the flour to properly absorb the liquid. Socca can be cooked on the cooktop or in the oven, with the goal of a lightly blistering of the flatbread for added flavor. I'm following the recipe from the New York Times that recommends baking first, then finishing with a touch of broil. To achieve the best results, I'm using the traditional bake mode with heat from the top and bottom heating elements. Because the cooking is finished in the broil mode, I first arrange the oven rack so that the pan will be about 6 inches away from the broil element. Because the recipe instructs to heat the pan in the oven prior to adding the batter, positioning the extension rack higher in the oven makes it easier and safer for access when removing the hot pan. First, the socca will bake for about 15 minutes, maybe 20 if you have a larger oven, and then you change the oven mode to broil. And don't leave the kitchen, because while some crisping is desirable, the flatbread could easily burn at this high temperature. Socca can be enjoyed hot from the oven with your preferred filling, or as I'm serving it, cooled slightly and then topped with greens and some sun-dried tomatoes, olives, feta cheese. Simple, healthy, delicious. What an easy treat. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.